are a laser service company for the manufacturing industry. We focus on medical industry, aerospace, packaging, caps and closures, and virtually everything as a service company.
I'm Lindsay Lewis, Head of Sales for Advanced Manufacturing here at GF Machining Solutions. I lead a team that identifies critical manufacturing opportunities within organizations that can best utilize our technologies.
We introduced the first GF laser in the US in 2010, I believe. From there, I really took to the technology. It was something that combined my traditional knowledge of texture surfaces, but then took it a whole step further. So as I started Providence Texture, I had a very specific focus on the newer technologies.
The GF Machining Solutions that were provided to Providence Texture includes a growing fleet of laser ablation and automation technologies.
With the GF P400, it allowed us to then create these micro features for hydrophobic surfaces. So the laser really excels at surfacing complex three-dimensional surfaces.
We value the collaboration with Providence Texture in large part due to the opportunity to support an organization that is open and willing to adopt new technologies.
We have some unique technology that sets us apart from our competitors, basically. We are doing things that literally only a handful of people in the world can do right now.
GF Machining Solutions continues to challenge the laws of manufacturing. But in doing so, we overcome extremely impactful manufacturing feats. This is accomplished by the emphasis placed on sustainable production. This includes chemical elimination, energy reduction, and vertical integration. These are just a few of the ways that Providence Texture is able to benefit from our advanced manufacturing solutions.
So I chose GF lasers because of the versatility and really the unmatched quality.